afternoon. I'm here at the City Hall now. And back there we got Primavera Park Hotel. And just opposite, Hotel Bristol. And the Old Town is as well right next to it. So let's head there and just take a nice stroll around. Temperatures for today, 31 degrees. It's lovely out here. Beautiful weather, no clouds at all. And a light breeze as well. That helps you keep you a little bit cool at least. But I think the drinks at the bars, they more keep you cool than the breeze. So got Hotel Bristol over here, and if I go a little bit back you can see how incredibly busy it is at the pool right up there. But this isn't gonna be a hotel tour video. I'm just gonna head towards the beach and then take a nice stroll along Levante Beach. See how everyone's doing, or it is quite busy on the beach, I think it is. Here in the Old Town, plenty of people around. Wow, it's busy out here. This is nothing compared to how many people are back there. And almost every single seat is taken. Wow. Except those one over there, but you're right in the open without a parasol and then you will be literally scorching away. I wouldn't be doing that for more than 10 minutes, I think. Yes, this is summer. This is summer over here. Beautiful. Just 31 degrees, not that extremely hot or anything. And on my left at the bars, also quite some people enjoying a nice drink. Let's go on and see if we can find some empty or more quiet spots along this huge beach that stretches all the way to where it's back there, here on the Levante Beach in Benidorm. It is huge, it's about 2 kilometers I believe for getting all the way towards the end. But that many people are here, wow. Really a lot. Water park back there, which also does pull in a decent crowd. And on the opposite, got Tiki Town, live music, and then nicely zipping away on your cold drink with a view of that lovely beach right here between the palm trees. It is amazing, it really is. And there we go. If you think as well, then please do give the video a like. It greatly helps promoting it. And do subscribe to the channel if you want more of these updates here in Benidorm. And some bars are quite busy, but others over here, like Q, isn't yet. But it won't take long before the first people who really need a drink to cool down from over here on the Levante Beach. And then head into one of the bars, of course, to grab a drink, find some shade. Even complete tents up here. That is nice if you're heading out with your whole family to take one of those with you. Keep everyone cool. They're underneath the palm trees. There's plenty of space still in the shade. That's lovely to lie down there. Police car to ambulance. Says, I think someone stayed already a bit too long in the sun and didn't feel well. Let's hope everything is all right. And when you're here and it is getting too hot for you, then definitely head into one of the supermarkets, grab something cold to drink, or maybe go towards a bar, find some shade. Staying all day in the sun is very, very heavy. While it is just 31 degrees today, it usually gets hotter. Oh, there we got the ambulance coming, another one. Wow, really hope everything is alright. Okay, so seems like the person who didn't feel well is already inside at the bar currently, and they're getting helped to make sure they're better again. Everything was going alright, but they just called the ambulance to make sure, I think. So at the bars and on the beach as well, even this spot over here, man. We've got no sun lounges over here, but still very, very busy. And where the sun lounges are as well. Well, the two are in the middle over here, a bit more available for you if you want one. But it's busy as well. On the boulevard, not that many people walking because it's just too hot out. Most people tend to find a spot to sit down and then stay there for a few hours instead of taking extremely long walks in the heat. So we got a water park over there. That one costs 16 euros an hour. But there you got a platform at sea, and that one is free to swim to. And I believe there's even a lifeguard on there. I can see a red parasol, and it's just the same one like over there, a lifeguard. I didn't know there was a lifeguard on it. That just looks amazing, having your own private pool up there, looking over the Mediterranean Sea. Wow. And over here quite a lot of people are leaving already, because it is that hot out. Or at least on the beach it is. You're really scorching away if you don't have an umbrella, a parasol with you or anything. Plenty of people still playing chess. But of course you're sitting here covered in the shade. Nice breeze out. Let's head on towards Tiki Beach, which one is further on, and see how busy it is over there, because I think that one does pull in quite a crowd. And one of the nicer things over here, if you are bound to a mobility scooter and you can't get out or anything and you want to go to the beach, they have this area for you over here. It's completely accessible, so you can enjoy the sun out and while still being on the beach with your scooter. Very neat Benidorm offers this option. I have to admit, this area right here looks quite quiet. Plenty of availability. Down here it is a bit busier. Bit more people over here. But I should do a comparison towards Levante Beach quite soon. See how the crowds are over there. It's a completely different area and it will take me a while to get there. then I think it's the best just to make a day out of it and head all the way back there. Parasailing going on over there. That would be amazing. Seeing the view from over there of the Levante Beach of Benidorm. Beautiful. And as well, we have arrived over here at Cayman. Right next door is Tiki Beach. Lovely people waving over there, having a nice cold drink. And Tiki Beach isn't extremely busy or anything or exploding. There's a nice crowd. Some live entertainment as well going on. But nothing extreme, still enough space for you if you want to come here and enjoy your holiday. Over here, I think this is the quietest area of Benidorm Beach right now. Ooh, there is a parasol for going. Yeah, it is quite windy right now. So make sure to tighten the ground if you're taking one. If you don't want to lose it. Yeah, this is, I think, the quietest area, and there's still plenty of people around. But over here you got enough space for yourself. As long as you don't want to sit at front. But that is, of course, the popularest area of the beach, always the seafront. Got Copacabana over here. And while I have said there aren't any clouds, it does look like summer coming over here right now. But that will only help keeping people a bit more cool while they're over here at the beach. Oh, and they're still serving those cocktails, I see. Don't take one, guys. Just go towards the supermarket or a real bar. That is always much better. And you can cool down as well a bit. Those supermarkets always have the AC on. And they're very reasonably priced as well. And sitting at a bar also is a nice in-between for your beach day, I always think. And I believe if you don't want to leave your sun lounger over here on the beach, well, over here there are plenty of availability. But then just take the ticket with you they gave you, and I believe you can come afterwards back the whole day. And also to one of the other spots. There are many spots over here, but it's all the same company that rents them out. So you can as well go towards one of those. So you get a different view after your break. Not all bars are open. Over here this one's closed. Next door the Bulldog is doing alright, especially compared to how quiet most bars were. And the breeze is picking up over here. It's more getting yeah, a bit heavy over here. But that is nice. This over here is always one of the best bars to sit at, I think, personally. Having a lovely view from over there, over the beach. Beautiful. Got another tent some people have set up over here. And this area is supposed usually to get busy again. But for right now it looks quite alright. Let's check out all the way at the end, back there, how it looks like. How many people are up there? The bars over here at least. They are doing well. This one is busy over here, Bikini Beach. And next door, Roman as well. Loads of people having a lunch over there. Yeah, as well, this area is quite packed. And as always in this bit, there's plenty of seaweed, I believe, and debris washing ashore. That is something you don't have if you head a bit further towards the middle of it. There it is, extremely clean. It always happens in the corners. And that for today, this afternoon, concludes my walk along Levante Beach. If you liked it and you didn't do already, please do give a like towards the video, greatly helps promoting it, and do subscribe if you want to see more. As well, if you think it wasn't the best, or you got some recommendations on anything, or you just want to leave a comment, then please let me know in the comments. I wish you all a great day, and hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.